Hello, well, I don't know what good it is, but hello, welcome back to Bindygeeks YouTube channel. For today, we're gonna unbox a power supply unit from Seasonic. This is not the flagship of their product, but this is one of the high-end product from them. This is a Seasonic X750 watts with gold certification. With X series, X series lineup and all the things. With what's called the SLI, via SLI. You can make an SLI here, an ERP with green certification of things. Okay, what we have here: 80+ gold certified. Our corporate slogan: Green innovation powers your life. Okay, nice. And Seasonic patented DC connector panel with integrated voltage regulator module. Okay. Seasonic achieve enhanced overall performance and reliability by minimizing resistance. Okay, this is DC to DC connector and gold-plated high current terminals. Well, this is very good because gold is better conductivity than the other materials. And highly reliable 105 C aluminum electrolyte capacitors. Okay, conductive polymer aluminum solid capacitors. Okay, multi GPU. Okay, this is SLI or Crossfire X ready. Our 7 years warranty. Nice, 7 years. And hybrid Seasonic silent fan control. Okay, so what Seasonic does is they make it 0 RPM within the 0 load until 30% of load, so you don't hear any fan noise that produced from the power supply unit. And it's a ball. Is it a ball bearing fan? Yes, it's a ball bearing fans are made of highest quality components to ensure top performance from Senei Sanyo Denki. Okay, check it out. What's the technical specifications here? Okay, dimensions. Okay, efficiency. Yup. Protection features. OPP, OVP. I'm not really, but this is good stuff for you. What's that? Sorry, wee. I don't know what it's that, but wee. Okay. AC input range 100 volt until 240 volt with 9.5 until 4.5 amp. Okay. 124 pin connector 1. CPU 8 or 4 pin 1. Okay, this is all of the connectors that they added. Okay, as you can see, and well, in other languages, well, if you are from, what's that, from Dutch, French, Italian, Spain, well, and the other countries that I not can't, but actually it's just too many countries to take. Okay, let's open it. Wow, maybe this is the only a carton box outside, but they added a good foam actually. They comes inside with the owner's manual, with a instructions guide, how to use that and how to install it, and what is the 80+ gold. Well, I don't know what it is, but yeah, what is it a bag? Whoa, nice. This is the AC prong cable from the AC connector to your power supply, and go for gold. Okay, X series from Seasonic. Very nice, very good bag. I mean, very rigid. Tea bag. Well, tea bag. It's for tea. Comes inside the first bag. Let's see. Ow, ow, ow. Something's very sharp inside. Let's open it up. Yep. This is This is one of how much is it? This is 1 to 2 SATA connectors. They added 2 of it. 2 or how much? No, this is small X. No, this is. Oh no, sorry. This is small X. This is small X. This is 4. It's 1 to 4. Okay, this is okay. So they added 2 to 4 SATA connectors. Yeah, two of it. 1 to 2 SATA connectors. Yep. And 1 of 2 Molex connectors, and 1 of 3 Molex connectors. Okay, let's open from the other bag. It comes inside a bigger bag, actually, a bit heavier. It contains the 24-pin connector. Okay, this is the 24-pin connector with, oh, yeah, this is interesting. This is interesting. Seriously. Okay. Okay, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, 28. Okay. This is a 24-pin. Not really long, but it's very good. I mean, very good sleeving, and then very nice cable to touch. And 1 PCIe connector, 8-pin. 1 to 2 8-pin. Sorry, and 1 to. Oh no, this is for the CPU. This is 4x4 8-pin motherboard connector for the CPU usage. And what is this? No. Wait. This is interesting. I see. Yeah. They added 2 of this. This is 8-pin motherboard for CPU consumption, because if you use very hardcore, I mean very enthusiast grade of motherboard and CPUs, you need both of them. I mean this is 8-pin and 8-pin for the backup, or maybe you lost it somewhere and when it's broken you have the other one. Well, that's the worst case. And this is the other 2 of PCI connector. Yeah. And this is Molex to floppy drive. Well, I don't want to use it because it's getting older now, right? Well, that's it. Good. I got a case badge powered by Seasonic. Yay! 3 cable straps, and I don't know how much. 5 cable ties, and a lot of screws. Okay, it comes to the thing. Yeah. I know what is it, but I heard someone that it's just very good. Seriously, this is a very good bag. I mean, it's very silky, very good. Okay, this is the thing itself. Yeah. This is the technical specifications of the thing. Okay, high pot okay, grounding okay, and all of the things here. As you can see, this is a 750 watt. Oh, here. Remove before use. This is hybrid and normal. If you choose normal, it's gonna be at a low RPM from 0 until about when the heat are reaching up. If you choose hybrid, it's gonna be disable the fan totally to 0 RPM until 30% of load. And more information in manual. Okay. This is the motherboard and peripheral ID and SATA, and CPU and PCIe all here. Is that gold? Yeah. Affirmative, it's gold. This is a gold terminal. If you can see, it's very shiny, but I can see it here. It's gold. It's not gold, entirely gold, no, but it's gold plated. Means you have more conductivity and less resistance between the cable from, let's see, from here. Let's see it. If you plug it where? I'm gonna plug it. Okay, here. I want to plug it here. Yeah. The contact between this cable and the terminal itself, it's less resistance. It means that less heat is produced surround the terminal itself, surround the these plug things, right? Okay. Well, entirely black and no shining things on the fans. It's only completely black, just completely black. And this is the Seasonic, or it's input wattage, voltage. Yeah, as we've seen before. On a switch, as we see, the huge coils and heat sinks inside it. X series. Okay. Well, that's it. Nothing else. Empty box. Well, that's it. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you more for more unboxings and first look. Well, today is Seasonic X series 750W. Don't forget to subscribe. And like for more computer videos.